First, we'll insert the ink cartridge and makeup cartridge. Then remove the screws. We can pull out the tray. Then remove two screws on the cover. Shortcut these 3 screws. The mixing tank level of the new machine is empty after short-circuiting 3 screws. The mixing tank will be normal. Then click Operation, Ink Operation. Keep the 3 screws short-circuited. Click Fill Mixing Tank. A pop-up window will appear. Then click OK. Then disconnect the joints of this yellow recovery pipe. Put the end connected to the ink core into solvent. Then turn on the recovery pump and set its speed to maximum. The machine will pump solvent into the ink core. Pump about 400 milliliter solvent until the mixing tank level returns normal. Then turn off the recovery pump manually. Reconnect the recovery pipe. Go to Configuration Other Datatron Off Gutter Detected. Click Clean Start to run the machine with solvent. Run for 10 to 20 minutes to keep the ink circuit from drying out.